And I never forgot it.
See the whiz?
Wind. How you can see the wind.
Right.
The trees
Yeah.
and the stuff that everything tells you. You can see the wind.
You can't see the wind.
Yep.
See?
And I teach other people that. And they think I'm a genius. I'm like, I took one hot air balloon ride.
So I go on in the spiritual sense. So if I can see things you can't see,
Yeah.
why isn't there other things you can't see in life?
Because we are obtuse.
And I'm not very religious, but I'm like you, I'm information spirit.
Yeah.
And so there's stuff flying around we can't see.
Yep, agreed.
That doesn't even happen.
Exactly.